Business and financial highlights in Q4 included record cash flow from operations of $1.1 billion, returning $397 million of cash to our stockholders through stock buyback.
We achieved record creative revenue of $1.45 billion in Q4, with 26% year-over-year growth. Product announcements at Max included the introduction of Premiere Rush, the first all-in-one, easy-to-use video editing app for social media creators, simplifying video creation and sharing on leading platforms such as YouTube and Instagram. As we enter 2019, Adobe is well-positioned to build on this momentum, delight our customers, and continue to deliver impressive long-term top and bottom line growth. Our vision to empower people to create and transform how businesses compete has never been more relevant, and we welcomed millions of new customers to Adobe.